By the end of the video, we'll know ultimate bodyweight workout plan tutorial for beginners. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive tutorial on the ultimate bodyweight workout plan, tailored specifically for beginners. Remember, consistency and progress are the keys to success in any fitness journey. So let's kick things off with some essential warm-up exercises. Start by doing a few dynamic stretches like high knees, jumping jacks, and arm circles. These will not only prepare your body for the workout, but also improve your flexibility and mobility. Next up, we have bodyweight exercises that target all major muscle groups. We'll be combining push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, and planks into one full body workout session. Don't worry, we've got instructions on how to perform each exercise correctly and safely. And if you're just starting out while still working on your form, don't worry, we've got you covered with modifications that work for beginners. For those who prefer to train at home, a couple of resistance bands can take your workout to the next level. Adding resistance bands to your exercises will make them more challenging and effective. As always, maintain proper form throughout each exercise to avoid injury and get the most out of your workout. Take breaks when needed and stay hydrated throughout your session. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your plan and watch as your fitness journey unfolds. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful or enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing forward.